China is the home of production, but that's not the end of it. There's things that still end up shocking the world, and no, I'm not talking about COVID. Let's take you to China and show you discoveries that are making the world sit up and take notice. The moon's hidden treasure, helium. 3. The future of energy. China has made a groundbreaking lunar discovery that could change the future of energy, a rare crystal called chang'e. Why? Found in lunar basalt samples collected by the Chang'e 5 mission. This transparent microscopic crystal contains helium-3, an element that could revolutionize nuclear fusion energy. Unlike traditional nuclear fission, which produces radioactive waste, nuclear fusion using helium-3 is a clean energy alternative with no harmful radiation. Scientists believe helium-3 could provide a limitless power source, potentially replacing fossil fuels and even existing nuclear power plants. What makes this discovery so significant is that helium-3 is extremely rare on Earth but appears to be abundant on the Moon. According to experts, just 25 tons of helium-3, about the size of a fully loaded space shuttle cargo bay, could power the entire United States for a year. China's next moon mission, Chang'e 6, is already planned to collect more samples from unexplored lunar regions, particularly the far side of the Moon. If successful, this could bring humanity one step closer to harnessing the Moon's resources for energy production. However, extracting and transporting large amounts of helium-3 will be a major challenge, requiring advancements in space mining technology. But energy isn't the only discovery China has made on the Moon. Scientists have also found something even more essential for future lunar colonization: water. There's water on the Moon, a breakthrough for lunar exploration. Water on the Moon has been detected before, but China's latest discovery is different. For the first time, scientists have found water molecules physically trapped inside a mineral sample taken from the Moon's surface. Researchers analyzing lunar soil samples from the Chang'e 5 mission found a prismatic plate-like crystal called ULM1, which contained stable water molecules. This is a major breakthrough, as previous findings mostly suggested the presence of ice in permanently shadowed craters or hydroxyl OH compounds on the lunar surface. The discovery confirms the existence of molecular water in regions where scientists previously thought it could not survive due to extreme temperatures. This changes the game for future moon missions. If water can be extracted directly from lunar soil, astronauts wouldn't need to transport large amounts of water from Earth, a process that is incredibly expensive and logistically challenging. Instead, they could utilize moon water for drinking, growing plants, and even creating rocket fuel by splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen. China has ambitious plans for a lunar research station, and this discovery brings us one step closer to long-term human habitation on the Moon. The ability to harvest and use water on site would dramatically reduce mission costs and make deep space exploration far more sustainable. But China's discoveries aren't just limited to space. Back on Earth, they've uncovered one of the largest gold deposits in history. China's largest gold discovery ever, a game changer for global markets. China has just made one of the biggest gold discoveries in history, uncovering an estimated 300 metric tons of gold in Hunan province. At current gold prices, this massive deposit is valued at approximately $83 billion, a find that could reshape the global gold market. This discovery comes at a critical time when concerns about peak gold, the idea that we are approaching the limit of economically viable gold mining, are rising. Global gold production has been declining, and some experts have warned that gold supplies could run out within the next few decades. However, this new discovery in China could significantly delay that timeline and ensure a steady gold supply for years to come. The impact of this find was felt almost immediately. After news of the deposit broke, global gold prices surged to near record highs of $2,700 per ounce. Given that China is already the world's largest gold producer and importer, this discovery further strengthens its dominance in the global gold market. China's massive gold reserves give it a strategic advantage, not just in commodities trading, but also in economic security and financial stability. The country has been steadily increasing its gold holdings, potentially as a hedge against global economic uncertainty and to support the digital yuan as an alternative to the US dollar. But China's discoveries aren't just limited to precious metals. Recent findings of an ancient skull in China might change everything we know about human evolution. Meet Dragon Man, a new human species. In one of the most astonishing anthropological discoveries in recent history, scientists in China have uncovered a 114,000-year-old fossilized skull that could change everything we know about human evolution. Nicknamed Dragon Man, this ancient hominin had a massive brain, deep-set eyes, and an unusually large brow ridge. Dragon Man had a flatter face tucked under its brow, more similar to modern humans. Some researchers believe it might be our closest extinct relative, even closer than Neanderthals, a theory that, if confirmed, could rewrite the human family tree. The story of Dragon Man's discovery is almost as fascinating as the fossil itself. Originally found in 1933 by a construction worker in Harbin, China, the skull was hidden in a well for 85 years to keep it out of Japanese hands during wartime. It remained undiscovered until 2018 when the worker's family finally turned it over to scientists. Now, researchers are debating whether Dragon Man is a new species, Homo longi, or actually a Denisovan, a mysterious ancient human lineage known only from DNA and fragmentary fossils. If confirmed as a new species, this could change the way we understand early human migration, evolution, and even how Homo sapiens came to dominate the planet. But while this discovery reshapes our past, China is also shaping the future, especially in the world of artificial intelligence with its latest AI breakthrough, DeepSeek. DeepSeek AI, China's answer to ChatGPT. China has once again shaken the global tech industry with the launch of DeepSeek AI, a chatbot that is directly challenging OpenAI's dominance in artificial intelligence. Almost overnight, DeepSeek became the most downloaded free app on Apple's App Store, raising serious concerns in Silicon Valley. The shockwaves didn't stop there. DeepSeek's sudden rise even caused Nvidia's stock price to drop, as investors worried about whether American firms could maintain their edge in AI development. What makes DeepSeek AI so disruptive is its power and efficiency. Reports suggest that it is as capable as OpenAI's GPT-4, yet it was built at a fraction of the cost. Unlike Western AI models, which rely on expensive high-performance computing resources, DeepSeek is designed to be more efficient, requiring less computing power to generate high-quality responses. This efficiency is particularly surprising given US restrictions on advanced semiconductor exports to China. DeepSeek's creators allegedly bypassed these limitations by stockpiling banned Nvidia A100 chips and combining them with cheaper, locally available processors, a move that has alarmed US policymakers. Well, this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.